The stock market is rigged, and in this video, we're going to talk pure rigged AI system. How to use the system and how to make it work for you. And if you use the system properly, you didn't trade any of this on SPY, May 29th. So first thing, where do we open? Right here, 525.64, okay? We'll just make it a yellow line. Open, typically see the most volatility. You know, we kind of go down to here, and then we go up like 1.5. We'll say this again and again, trading the open is not necessary. Typically after 1300 is when the best trades come in. The rest of this session, they just ping pong this thing, right? It's just ping ponging, bouncing down, going up, down, up, down, up, down. I mean, if you like scalping trades, such a nasty, nasty word. That was very doable and very easy here. If you held until the end, you got exactly what we wanted, because when we come back down to tradability, remember TKO, tradability, Komodo on fire. Look for a reversal at 3, only trade bulls below, bears above. You're not getting anything before 1300. It was garbage. Not every day is going to be great. And just being able to see this, you're not getting any on fire alerts for these hitting 100%. There's just no need to do it. Stay out and away from drugs, because they're bad, kids. You know, we can swap over here to the Q. Open, we go up 2.5, almost 3 strikes, right? 458 is 3, and what does this 3-strike rule tell us? Well, it tells us, hey, 1, telling you it's possible, but for you to push past 3, you're going to need this white line of volume to keep spiking. This is one of those sessions where they just took the early move. Same thing on SPY, ping-ponging between 2 strikes, 457, 458, blah, 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 blah. And then you get a nuke towards the end, almost perfect mean reversion. Return to the blue line. And SPY did exactly that, right? Open right here, 452.64, and they close it, not 464, 525.64, and they close it 525.72. Right, so your intraday entire move is 8 cents. And they just took an opportunity to bleed everyone out. TKO. You've got, I think, maybe 1 alert here with advantage. Did not win. Did not get anything from the morning. You could have found a better entry and made a little bit of money, like 20 to 50%, which is probably what you should be shooting for on nightmare mode. So any kind of recap, the only important thing about all of this is, 1, most days are terrible to trade. You're not going to get 100% easily on nightmare or hard mode. And, you know, we tell you that right here. The second, watch the white line. If the white line stays flat, now this is institutional option volume, the big dogs. If this stays flat, they're not actively participating, and the stock is going to suck. Same thing on SPY. Look how flat this thing is. Just goes down and down and down to 92% of average. Respect the white line. Now, if we look at NVIDIA from today, well, what happens? You get this right here where you're at 100%, 97%, and then boom, you spike to 130. What does that tell us? We think it's going to go beyond 3 strikes after that. And that's 3 strikes above the blue line. And if you followed that, right, and we followed strategy, bulls positive PS, bears negative PS. Since we're going higher, we want the bulls. This is going to be your best trade right here. And that's a 50%. Bang, bang, boom, as the Peppa Pig likes to say. I mean, the rest of these aren't terrible, but once you get into this 3 strike range, definitely be nervous. 4 strikes is right here. Would have sold the position if we were trading it. Gonna blame G-Man, not reminding me, hey, high volume, full send mode, go get your money on NVIDIA and get out. Overall, lame day, but like mentally, if you can just prepare like, hey, today could be great, it could be terrible. It could be great, it could be terrible. And if you see this white line going nowhere, just expect terrible. If you're going to trade small size just for fun, but really you need to come back and press it on the full send days. You know, almost the end of the month. Let's go out with a bang, baby.